Okay, so now we've got our website working, but we need to be able to host it. Luckily, I found this free hosting website, which will do everything that we need. It's not good, obviously, for like professional stuff because it's free, but to just put some HTML files online, this will do just fine. So we go to 000webhost.com/free-website-sign-up. It'll take us here. So we're going to enter in an email. I already signed up using my Gmail, so I'm going to sign up using my Hotmail. Create a password. And then click sign up. Okay, so as you can see, it says we've sent a confirmation email your way. Verify your email address to continue your journey. So just make sure you check your email for that. So I just checked my email on my phone. There was a verify your email button, and it immediately brought me to here and automatically reloaded this page for me. So I'm going to click it's not my first rodeo, take me to the panel. Okay, so website name, I'm going to name it Summer Camp BL 2020. And then I'm going to give it a new password that I'm not going to display. And now we just wait for it to do its thing. So we're going to select upload your site. So now we see this public HTML and this temp folder. We're going to click public HTML and we want to go into it. So just double click it. You'll see this .ht access file. So right where that is, we're going to drag all of our files onto, and then we're going to scroll down and click upload. Now we just have to wait for it to upload all of our files. Okay, so once everything finishes uploading, open a new tab, go back to 000webhost.com. It'll take you to the main page. Just click sign in. It should automatically sign you in. Oh, I got to do the old capture. Please click each image containing an umbrella. Next. Oh wow, it's really going strong on this one. Cool. So then we'll wait for it to load. We'll see this Summer Camp BL 2020, and we'll see this quick actions. Just click that and then click view site. So we're going to notice that there is an error in our console, and it says get link preview, basically 404, so it can't find it. The reason why it's doing this is really simple. So we want to do /get link preview, and then we need to add .php, and then we need to save in our index.js. So our Windows machine will allow us to make a mistake where we don't have the .php and the slash. However, when we upload it to their server, it does not let us do that. So we just make that fix. And then we go back to here. And rather than dragging the whole thing in to just update our one change, we can drag in index.js, upload that by itself, and then simply refresh our site. And you'll notice everything works again, except for it won't load the YouTube videos. And you're going to see this mixed content. Basically what's happening is we get this not secure up here, and that's because the site that we're running off of isn't HTTPS. We would need something called an SSL certificate, which most people would have just by creating their website. But because we're doing it for free, we can't get that right now. And sometimes if we want to implement them ourselves, it costs money. So yeah, some of our YouTube videos won't load just because it doesn't think our site is secure. But other than that, it's hosting. So everything works. And now you'll notice, if we close it here, we still have this nav bar. Things are a little bit ugly. It doesn't look perfect. There's a bunch of like space over here that we could be doing stuff with. And that's stuff that I want you guys to figure out. So you already have a template, a really big one that you can look through, experiment with, like delete stuff, add stuff, see what different changes do to different things, and just do your best to try and come up with your own unique website. So try and make this blog something that's personal to you rather than just a generic website where you can upload YouTube videos. I know this has been a really long series, but I hope you guys really got something out of it. Thanks for checking it out.